It's a good idea to replace your valve stem when you replace the tires. Old valve stems can dry rot and leak. Well, it's a pain in the butt to do it when you got to take the tire back off to replace it. So just go ahead and replace it when you have the tire off the rim. Now how I usually go about doing this is you got to cut the bottom off. And sometimes that's easier said than done. You usually can just get some pliers on here or some cutters, wiggle it out of there, or cut it off, one or the other. There you go. Cut it off, pull it right out, throw that thing away. Now I want to make sure my new valve stem is going to fit, because there's different size valve stems for different size holes. Oh yeah, that's good, just like the one I took out. I'm going to take this tool here and I'm going to put my valve stem in there, holding it with my finger. I'm going to thread this on to the top. I'm going to put this against the rim and I'm going to give it a slight pull. And I'll feel it lock into place. Not quite yet. There we go. Valve stem is in there and looking good.